Welcome back to Shef Satt, the show where we have no idea what we're doing. Today, it's Minecraft themed. The talking stick is back, and so is another cookbook, and specifically a gaming cookbook, because apparently we like those. This is the official Minecraft cookbook, and we are going to be doing 3 recipes from it today. A Survive the Night soda pop thing, baked potato bites, and suspicious stew. And hopefully we don't die from that. So, let us chef. All right, this calls for 1 diced onion. Ooh, this is starting to burn.
You know, I've never experienced the onion.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, onions chopped. Time to go in the pot. So, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna saute some onions in the stock pot. Mushrooms, potatoes. I should have cut them all up first. Well, there's not much time.
1/2-inch cubes.
That's what I asked for?
That's awesome.
Get the ruler out. You took the big cutting board and the good knife.
Yeah, I took all the things. This is my show.
Okay, we're gonna be putting these potato pieces and the mushroom pieces in the bowl that I put the other potatoes in. It's just salt and oil. Not a big deal. Oh yeah, this is Minecraft theme. I keep forgetting to do that. I didn't even wear my Minecraft shirt. I'm just gonna toss this in there. Yeah. There's the Sandlot playing on the TV over here. They are entertainment maxing, watching me and the Sandlot. This is how I cook. Very like, holy crap. Are you in a, what is this? This is industrial soy sauce, industrial tomato paste.
This is a professional.
This is a professional household, apparently, in the smallest kitchen known to man. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm gonna put the broth in. You're not seeing what I'm doing back here, but I'm doing something. I'm peeing in the bowl. Okay. Now for the tomato paste. Oh, and the lentils. Where are your lentils in there?
It's hard to pick them out.
Ooh, I'm excited, guys. Here, come look at this. Come look at this beauty. I'm making stew, guys. Look at that.
Wait, it looks so good.
All right, so first off, we're gonna be prepping the baked potato bites. Nicole is washing the potatoes because we're gonna be eating all of it, potentially. Once those get prepped, we're gonna throw them in the oven. We're preheating the oven to 375. Wow, these were very dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you want me to take the little guide out of them? Like, they have little butts all around them.
I think we can leave that little butt out.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is definitely 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Salt. Oh, geez. I think that's enough salt. And then we mix this up. It's fine.
Exfoliated.
With olive oil and salt, I'm gonna be dehydrated. That's what I'm gonna be. I've never felt this before. This is a wild texture. And I hate it. I'm sorry, honey, I love you, but the ring's gotta come off.
Forgive me.
Thank you, appreciate it. We have our potatoes, and they're going into the pan. This is gonna go in the oven for 25 minutes or so. Wake up, look at these. Thanks, Target.
Alright, so this is work.
They kind of look like old guys. We're gonna wait for the potatoes to cool down and for that stew to boil. And then while we're doing that, my lovely girlfriend fiance, excuse me, is going to break my camera and make the soda pop.
That's a motive.
So I have found for my espresso machine the perfect amount of espresso is if I do 8 seconds on this machine. My mostly frozen ice. So I can get it out of here. None of that worked. So we're making 3 of these. So I need 3 shots of espresso. Add in the espresso.
3 ice cubes.
They're gone. They've melted. Okay, fill a tall glass halfway with ice. Well, we used all of it, so. We have the Coca-Cola Holiday Cream of Vanilla. Ooh, I like the way that looks.
That's pretty cool. Hey, we're out of potatoes. We gotta wrap this up. We have our twice baked potatoes pretty much. It says to cut the tops off and then you scoop out the innards. Now the trick is to not like collapse this thing in on itself. The potato flew around. Okay, I think that's good enough. So we have our hollowed out potatoes. So we're supposed to now put butter in here.
Dinner time!
You still want me in the family, Nicole? Okay, so now we have some potato mash. So mashed potatoes. Stupid. Toss a little bit of chives in there. Shredded finger.
No!
It's protein. It's extra protein. Daisy sour cream that's a little bit juicy. It's okay. Bacon. Who wants a piece of bacon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's mix this up. I think I put a little too much sour cream, but we're moving, guys. This is gonna be great. Okay. Spoon it in.
I do think you should pop
Something?
it in the oven for just like 2 minutes.
Okay. We're gonna pop these in the oven for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna eat them. Feel good? Okay.
Just a little bit. Oh,
Uh-oh.
stay in there.
Uh-oh.
Stay. Shake well 4 times. I did.
4 times is so specific. That was
That's
fine.
5. Wow.
That's actually so sick.
Oh, wow.
Wait, yum.
And maybe like a little mixy.
Oh, that's interesting.
I like it.
I liked it better the first sip.
Wow, it's getting
Wow,
worse.
it actually sucks. Okay, here's what I think. Because we didn't put simple syrup in it, right?
Right.
I feel like the bitterness of the coffee overwhelms the sweetness of the Coke. Because it's like semi-sweet now, which I'm like, why is it not? So I'm like, maybe the simple syrup is there for a reason.
The whipped cream has sweet in it, so I'm trying to get it in there.
Okay, when did you guys first start playing Minecraft?
Oh, that's such a good question.
I watched it. I watched my brother play it for like probably 5 years before I actually played it for myself.
Oh wow.
I'm trying to remember the first time. Like, I feel like I played at other people's houses as a kid, but I didn't actually purchase it and start playing it until like 2020.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Yeah.
My cousin started playing it. He bought it for me on my iPod Touch, the demo. And then I had friends that played it, and then I dropped out of 8th grade math because I played Minecraft so much that I never finished 8th grade math.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like, I think there was like 3 chapters left at the end of that book that
You just skipped.
it was the next school year, and I was like, I just didn't get it done because I was playing too much Minecraft. Well, great job. Thank you for making this. This is delicious. You guys want to try the stew?
Yes.
Okay. Suspicious stew up next.
Oh, it's gonna be so hot.
Yep. It did say salt and pepper to taste, so if it's
I think it needs a little salt and pepper to taste. Kind of gravy it churned.
it's the lentil.
Like the potato.
Lentil starches.
Yeah.
Yep.
That turned out way better than I thought.
Me too.
It was so easy. I feel like we just dumped everything in a pot.
I did. That's exactly what I did.
Mushroom, potato, carrot,
Easy.
stew.
Yeah.
Still. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Potatoes?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Wow.
Oh, it looks so good.
I hope it actually is. It could be one of those things that's like, wow, this looks amazing. It's like bland as heck.
Actually,
Actually pretty yummy.
Wait, yum.
I'm glad you guys are using forks because the lip onto the pure salt on the outside,
Take a margarita rim.
way worse. Delicious. All 3 were good. I like them all.
this is also a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I give it a 7 for me, personally.
It's fair.
The stew was a solid 9 for me.
Yeah.
The drink, 6.
I was gonna go 5.
I'll go 5. Thanks for being here, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for spending the past. It's only been 3 hours. Actually, it's just been that long. And thank you all for joining us on this episode of Shef Satt. We hope to see you soon. We don't know. We never know when we're doing these things anymore. But we're here, and we're happy to be here. Bon appetit. Perfect. And go start your 2-week Minecraft taste. It's time. Bye.